Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. Now, these are the videos that I made on TikTok regarding Izingani Zestembu. Tell me, what are your views? What are your opinions? Ezinye, I'm little bit behind, but you can never be too late for Umkosinyana. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and add your opinion while you edit. So, Bazalwane Barkemang, Sue the Beauty is saying, I am proud of Diro's family for refusing the lobola. From Sibindi, let's not ignore that Sibindi wanted to pay lobola for Direlo first, but the family refused. Let's be realistic, let's be realistic. Mabiela is a replacement, plus Ngati Ugro Unobutakalani Shem, but muhle. Okay. Yena muhle Shem ugele, muhle kakhulu. And she is still young. She is still young. But yeah, leyo yakhe ke indaba azoyenza. But mina guys, honestly, when it comes to the whole thing, because I've never heard Tirelo's side of the family from their mouth, not when spoken for, I cannot say abafuni the lobola and what ne. And if they don't want it, it's still fine. But it is said that they are able to put their foot down when it comes to the lobola issue, but not put their foot down ukuthi ngwana rona ska ya da so, because culturally oyirang mola osimakoti, like why uphithizele egcekeni lomuntu ungasingoduso ka anybody, you know. Akithi maybe ka gore nna banong ke Motswana and na a ra tlhakatlhakana bjago a rena dilo tse dintši, a rena dintsanantsana, maybe that's why Tirelo a ile ka mokgwareng ka teng, a rena mathata, a rena di-rules and regulations tse dintšhi bjago. But ka setso, she shouldn't be running around the yard if like ke mojolo fela. And if parents are brave enough to say we don't want the lobola, why is she then allowed to continue egcekeni likamseleko? That's just me. Also, if they are refusing ilobola ka Sibindi, they should just girl should not be reactive and feel sad and feel betrayed by not being told, because she knows ukuthi I am not going to be lobola at first or second or third or fourth because my parents are still not okay with the setup that I'm in. That's just my 2 cents.